If you want to insert a SIM card into Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then first we need to prepare the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box. Now we can take a look at the top of the phone where we can find the SIM tray as long as it is included. If you purchased the phone in the United States, then there's a chance that you won't have the SIM tray in here. So now we need to insert the eject tool into this SIM tray hole that we have over here. So just put it in. There we go, and then use a little bit of force in order to push it down so that the SIM tray pops out, slightly of course. Now you can take it, for example, from the left side with your fingernail and try to push it out, at least gently of course, we don't want to break anything, and then you should be able to use both fingers in order to remove it. Now in my case I had SIM card already inserted, but that's fine. As you can see, we can easily remove it. This is how the SIM tray looks like. We have one SIM card slot, and we need to of course match the shape of the slot. Over here in this case we have this cut part, so we can easily put it in like this and then carefully put it back into the phone. Be careful not to drop the SIM card in the process, and push it all the way down with your finger. Make sure that the SIM tray doesn't stick out, that it is fully in order to avoid causing damage to the phone by accident. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.